When I first begin looking at simplifying a square root, I consider any number outside, in this case the 4, and realize that he's just going to chill outside the whole time until I bring some numbers out to multiply him. And then I turn my attention to the numbers inside, such as 72. I take the number 72 and begin to do a factor tree on it. The key thing to do in factor tree is that whenever you're done, you have only prime numbers at the bottom of your factor tree. So in this case, it's really 3 2s and 2 3s. So I could rewrite the number 72 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or I could make that 2 to the third times 3 squared. So when I come back over and begin to simplify my square root, the 4 is staying outside. Underneath the square root, I'm going to write out everything that I have. Normally I wouldn't do this once I get better at the process, but for now I'm going to. So I have a 2, a 2, and a 2, a 3, and a 3. Remember 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 is 72. And then if I have 6 x's, it would look like that, and 5 y's would look like that. I'm going to extend my square root bar. So now I'm looking for pairs of numbers or variables underneath. So I have a pair of 2's, a pair of 3's, I have 3 pairs of x's, and I have 2 pairs of y's. For every pair underneath, I can bring 1 out. So what that's going to leave me is the 4 that was chilling out front. I bring a 2 out, so he's gone. I bring a 3 out, so they're gone. Now here I'm going to bring 3 x's out, so that's x to the third. Bring 2 y's out, that's y squared. And now everything underneath that's left, for example that 2 there and that y there, do not have any pairs, so they have to remain underneath the square root sign. So when I finish my problem, I take 4 times 2 times 3, which gives me 24, x to the third, y squared, square root of 2y. And that is a fully simplified square root.